Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 4 Photonics. So the question is, calculate the V number and the number of modes supported by an optical fiber of core radius 25 micrometer operating at wavelength 1.3 micrometer with numerical aperture which is equals to 0.2. So now let's solve this question. In this question, we have to calculate the V number and the number of modes. So what is the formula to calculate the V number, which is V equals to 2 pi a divided by lambda into Na is numerical aperture. So A is nothing but the radius, which is equals to 25 micrometer. And what is the value of lambda here, which is nothing but the wavelength. So lambda equals to 1.3 micrometer and numerical aperture equals to 0.2. So now put all the values in this formula to get the V number. So V equals to 2 pi into, this is 25 and lambda is 1.3 and numerical aperture is 0.2. So V equals to, when you multiply pi, nothing but 3.14, or you can consider as 22 by 7. So now when you put, you will get 157.08 divided by 1.3 into 0.2. So V equals to, when you further solve it, you will get 120.83 multiply 0.2. So our V number, which is nearly equal to 24.17. So this is nothing but the V number. Now we have to find the number of modes. So here we are calculating number of modes. So what is the formula to calculate it, which is nothing but m equals to v square by 2, and what is v here, which is nothing but the v number, which is already we calculated, which is 24.17. so m equals to 24.17 whole square divided by 2. So when you solve it, you will get 584.19 divided by 2. So m equals to here, which is nearly equal to 292. So this is nothing but our number of modes. So like that, you have to solve in the examination to get the full marks. If you want these notes, our WhatsApp link is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.